Welcome to Code as Teach, your topics, our views. Python provides some conditional statement which is used to check the condition, and based upon the condition, a certain block of code need to be executed. Let's start. Okay, so first discuss about the if condition. So if certain condition is met and if you need certain code block to be executed, we can write something like if, and then we have to provide the condition colon, and then we have to code which need to be executed. It's a simple condition. It's only covering the if condition. If condition is met, this particular block of the code will be executed. What if a condition is not made, and then we also need another code block which need to be executed, then we have else statements or else statement. So how we write this one? We write the code. Okay, we have write else and then colon and then write the code. Make sure the code is properly indented, otherwise it will not run properly. Okay, so if this condition is met, it will run this code. If not met, it will goes to this else part and then it will run this code. You may have certain condition in which you have to check more than one condition. Then Python has introduced elif. So how we write this? If and then condition. Okay, we write the code. Okay, and then you have to write elif. Based upon the condition, how many conditions you do want, you can write n number of conditions. That's not the any limitation. You can write elif. Okay, if you required, you can write the else statement. Else it's not required, you cannot write. If you need, you can write something like else and then code. Second, nested if is also possible. Inside if you can provide any one more if you need. But make sure the code is properly indented, because Python consider that the need of the code block which is indented properly. Okay. The second thing, one more thing Python has provided. In a single line, you can write the if else statement. How we write this? So first thing, we have to write the code if condition else code. So this code will be executed if condition is met, else it will run this code. Let's take one by one. Let's take an example one by one. Okay, let's take one example of age. If your age is greater than 18, it means you are adult. If you are not greater than 18, you are younger. Still you are younger. So let's take an example. So if you write something condition, if age is greater than 18, you can write print you are adult. Simple statement for checking these statements. So if the condition is true, it will run this, else not. What if you write something like here less than 18, like 13, it will run the code, but it is not followed under the condition, so it will not print anything. So what if you need something like if the age is greater than 18, you are adult, else you are still younger. So you can write print you are not adult or younger. Can anything write? If you run this code, see here is coming in, you are not adult. It may have one condition. Let's take one more condition, like if you are greater than 60, you are senior citizen. If you are in between 18 to 16, you are adult. If you are not, then you are not adult or you are younger. Okay, you are younger, you can say not adult. Okay, let's run this. Okay, let's modify the code. So if age is 60 or greater than or equal to 60, you can say you are senior citizen. Okay, so what we have to use this elif age is greater than 18 and age is less than 60, right? And then print you are adult, right? Simple statement. Let's run this. Now currently it goes to 13.1. Okay, you are younger. Now change according to this. Let's change this 67. Now it will fall under this condition and you are saying you are senior citizen. Simple. Now let's take these in between this let's say 37. Okay, he's saying you are adult. Let's take an example of nested if. So inside that I need some if more if age is greater than 70, then you have to write something like print now you are now 70. Let's say a simple example how we use the nested if. If you run this, it's again say you are adult. Let's make this something 77. See here, okay. One if is coming, if he is writing this code, and if it's coming again, it's printing this code. So it's 2 times. See, by this you can use the nested if. Let's take one example that the simple. In a single line you can print all these things. So let's take if age is greater than 18, you are adult. If it is less than 18, you are younger. So you can write something like you are adult, and then the condition if age is greater than 18, else you can write print you are younger. Okay, greater than equal to. Okay, let's run. See here, this third one, your adult is coming from here, because here you have put the age is greater than 18. Let's say put 13. So it will be 2, 1 is from this, you are younger, and then 1 is from this. Let's run this. You see here 2 times printing, 1 is from this condition, and the second one is from the single line of the code. So it's a way to writing the in a single line. If you have if and else, you can learn the elif, else, how to write the nested if. So that is for the conditional statement. In the next video, I will be covering the for loop or the different loop. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.